everybody, it's me Jackie from Abbott Florist. This time I thought I'd show you an Halloween arrangement that's a little bit more elegant, not as dramatic. So I used this square box, wooden box, and I'm gonna cover it with some stones because I'm not gonna use tons of flowers. So I'm gonna take these stones and cover the top of my oasis. I filled this already with oasis. I'll take also some black stones. It would be great if two hands come right out of that arrangement. So I'm going to take my sticks again, put a little bit more interest into the arrangement, make it a little longer. Take some wire to secure those branches in it so they won't move too much. I don't want to use many flowers in this, so I'm going to use calla lilies in these. These are beautiful orange calla lilies to go over to the side. Have the hand hold this calla lily for now. So especially when you have over for dinner, you don't want the arrangement to be too high. And here's a more modern arrangement, not as predictable as the other ones are. Thank you for watching.